6 years ago, Hallie Hart thought she had closed the door on her past with Rio DeLuca. She loved him once, but she's no longer the same girl. Now, with an internship at a top interior design firm, she's finally stepping into her dream career. Chicago seemed like the perfect fresh start, until fate has other plans. Not only does she move into the city where Rio plays hockey, but she also ends up right next door to him. And as if that weren't enough, the renovation project she's been assigned, the one that could secure her future, is none other than Rio's bachelor pad. Turning his home into a family-ready haven feels impossible when being in the same room as him still ignites old emotions and unresolved tension. For Rio, life has been just as complicated. After years of searching for love, he's given up on the idea that it exists for him. That is, until Hallie shows up to renovate his house. Suddenly, memories he thought were long buried resurface. There's a secret he's kept for years, a connection he's never forgotten. The one person he has truly loved has been within reach all along. Rewinded Back is a heartfelt, slow-burn romance full of witty banter, emotional depth, and the undeniable pull of first love rediscovered. Liz Tomforde masterfully captures the tension between past regrets and future possibilities, keeping listeners hooked from the first chapter to the last.